Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with the video playing, pause briefly. Open the player menu, on desktop click the gear, on mobile tap the CC or three dots. Once there, locate the Subtitles/CC entry. It lists languages and an auto-generated tag if applicable. Make sure you note whether captions are uploaded by the creator versus auto-generated by YouTube. This distinction matters because the removal options differ. Now, select the Subtitles/CC line. Once the Subtitles/CC list is open, choose off to remove captions for this playback. This stops both uploaded and auto captions from displaying. If you see multiple language tracks, pick a different language to swap rather than turn them off. On mobile, tap the screen to reveal the overlay, then tap CC or Settings and pick off. This is faster for touch. Make sure to resume playback to confirm captions are gone. If they persist, the next slide covers deeper fixes. If subtitles still appear, clear your browser cache and reload the page. Sometimes old settings stick. Next, check extensions or accessibility settings. Caption enforcing plugins, screen readers, or OS caption preferences can override YouTube. If the creator enabled forced captions in the video file, you may need to view on desktop and disable forced captions in the player or report a playback issue to YouTube. Finally, make sure your app is updated. Once done, test another video to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.